Hello everybody, Mike from Joe's Hobby Tractor LLC. So this video is going to be about a common question I get asked. What does it cost to restore a tractor? Well, there's a huge amount of variables. I always say there's three categories. Number one is the condition of the tractor. Number two is the parts they need. And number three is what the customer all wants. As you can see in my background here, you can see this John Deere and this John Deere. There's a little difference in condition of the tractor. And obviously in there we got the big boy, the big V8. Or if you got like say a Farmall Cub or a John Deere A or B, there's a lot of variables in size and parts. Obviously an unstyled tractor is going to take a lot less parts than one of these guys. So that makes up a big difference in parts, and it can range the price of the restoration by $5,000-$10,000 just like that, you know, especially when you start getting tires. You know, obviously those little tires are going to be a lot cheaper than those tires. And the wire harnesses on these, like for basically from 1960 and newer, your wire harness is probably going to be 5 times the cost versus a John Deere A or B or a Farmall H or M. You get to an unstyled tractor, you ain't going to have no wire harness. You ain't going to have no starter generator. So there's a lot of variables there. And two, every customer has their own wants and wishes, and not all customers have a big budget. Some customers have a large budget. So that's the three big variables I always tell everybody that calls, what does it cost to restore a tractor? That's the big difference on the variable, the cost of restoration. I mean, the fixed prices, you know, obviously the shop labor and paint materials, that's pretty much a fixed deal, or a little variable, but not a whole lot, the paint materials. Obviously, I'm going to use more paint on a big guy like this versus a littler tractor, but there's still, it's pretty much in the window. But when, like I said before, the three big things is the condition of the tractor, the parts they need, and you as the owner, what do you all want? So that kind of is a start where I always tell people. Thank you for watching. If you got any more questions or comments, you can give me a call at 920-894-2134. You can check out my website, joeshobbytractor.com, or you can also check out my Facebook page, Joe's Hobby Tractor, and also I have a YouTube video also. Thanks for watching.